Hi, my name is Connie Jacob. I'm the Director of Community Engagement here at Certified Flourishing Coach, otherwise known as CFC. One of the events for our personal development weekends coming up is our Entrepreneur Blueprint. Now, this is important for you to know if you have a business idea. There's a lot of people out there with business ideas that don't know what are the steps to launch this business that's going to change somebody else's life. So what do you need to do as an entrepreneur? We're going to give you an entire blueprint, and by the end of the weekend, you're going to have a business plan. Isn't that amazing? And it's only $147 for you to come for a weekend to get your business launched. That's exciting because you have something the world needs. Check out theentrepreneurBlueprint.com to find out more information and to register. If you're interested in personal professional development, be sure to follow us on all of our social media handles such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook at Certified Flourishing Coach. And check out our website, certifiedflourishingcoach.com.